How to install games on Steam. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I will try to explain in under 1 minute how to install games on Steam. So Steam has a store of games. When you go to the store, you'll find different games with their prices. Now there are free games and there are paid games. You need to buy the game before trying to install it on your PC. Even if it's a free game, you'll find the buy button, but no payment will go through. So let's try a game here. For example, free to play. And let's choose any game from this list. For example, let's go to Dota, the great Dota. And here you'll find the buy button or the install on Steam or a play now. When you click the install, it will start to download the game on your PC. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.